Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I stand here humbled, deeply honored to have been elected as a Member of Parliament for Mbeere North. It was not easy, and I thank God for the opportunity to serve the people of Mbeere North. He stood with me and actually defended my win and therefore the will of the people of Mbeere North. I thank my family, starting with my wife, who stood with me and by my side throughout the campaigns. She stood before women and told them they can have me, and I'm so happy that I came back to her in one piece and unscathed. I thank the President of the Republic of Kenya for his exemplary leadership, and that inspires people like me to get out of our comfort zones to join him in leadership. I thank the Deputy President who came and brought fire to Mbeere North. And by the time he was done, Bwekse was actually a greeting in Mbeere North, and it still is today. I thank Cecily Mbarire, Her Excellency, the Governor of Embu County, who worked with me throughout the journey and even led the opposition to call me a medicine she's carrying around in Mbeere. And I accepted to be that medicine, but not, and for the problems of Mbeere North. I want to, who was a member in this house, who served well with distinction. He actually made it very easy for me to sail through because of the good things he had done for Mbeere people and the way he performed in this parliament. To the people of Mbeere North, I thank you. I'm deeply honored. And I say, I made pledges, I made promises. I will stay focused in leading you to achieving the goals we set together. One being the bursaries, which are as we agreed, will be equitably distributed. The free day secondary school, fighting for our roads, as I did this morning when I visited the Director General for Kera. And legislation, as you can see, I'm here today, ready to serve you and oversight even the national government CDF. I will be a good steward and ensure that every shilling is spent well to your benefit. I want to appreciate the people of Mbeere North again for sustaining a good campaign period, despite provocation by opponents who came and left a trail of insults and injuries. But I say we stood firm, and I stand here today as a testament of a peaceful people who are ready to be served and who are ready to stay within government. To my colleagues in this honorable house, I promise to work with you. I promise to be a good member, to contribute to debates. And as we break, I want to wish you all good holidays with your families, even as we take a rest and come back ready to serve our people. Honorable Speaker, I want to say that my campaigns were not easy. In fact, if you noticed, a man who served in your seat was filmed while almost decapitating a young man. I want to say, in as much as we have opposition and we differ, I want to say it's good to apply restraint, especially for members of this house. We are called honorable members, and I want to say, as a man who witnessed that before elections and post-election, post my election, I will stand firm to ensure that that doesn't happen, that does not happen to my people. I thank you for this opportunity, Mr. Speaker, and I promise to serve my people and fulfill the promises I made, which were many, so that all who voted for me and those who even didn't vote for me find fairness in my leadership. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Wamuthende. That man you are referring to was not only my classmate, but also roommate. And I have absolutely nothing with what he did. Omondi Moses Okoth.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I rise with deep gratitude to the people of Ugunja for entrusting me with their mandate in the recently concluded by-election, which were conducted in a peaceful and democratic manner. Their confidence in me is both humbling and inspiring. And it